we're only us in here. There's only us in here. It's still a little echo because of the reverb in here. Oh, you don't have an adjustment tool? Alright. I'm gonna teach you how to load a gun. So basically your right hand, you grab the gun with your right hand, right? Magazine with your left hand. Insert it in the magazine well, slap it in, grab the top of the slide. Either there's different 3 ways of loading a gun this way. Either wrap around the top, pull it back and let go. This way slingshot, this way let go, or hit the slide release, that most guns have. But not every gun has the same spot, same size, so I do this way because every gun just won't work. Not every gun has a little slide release. So you can do it this way, or this way. Whatever's comfortable for you. I just do this. It's very comfortable, so. Your turn. As long as you keep it point down range, finger off the trigger, you're fine. No problem. So bullets are always point forward. You know that for that. There you go. Now flip over and you slide, pull the slide. There you go, perfect. Just like that. You're good. Go shoot some rounds down range. Feels better, huh? I like that gun. It feels better in your hand. Yeah. Because it's about twice as much as my gun this way. Not bad. Now, the way you aim on that one, because it doesn't have a laser like hers, is you have the rear sights and the front sight. So keep that front sight in the middle, equal distance between both sides of the front sight, so you just like that. That's where your point of aim, point of impact is. See what I'm saying? This little notch in the back, this one goes right in the middle. Make sure it's all lined up, even the top, across, and you're right on target. Good. The first two are low. So what happened? You're on target, but what happened? You're low because you're dipping. You're anticipating the recoil. So you're like, ugh. So basically, what it's like, you have to think in your mind, just that slow press to the rear each time you pull the trigger. It'll shoot where you want it to shoot. You're dipping. Everybody does that. To get more comfortable with it, it goes away. Shoo, shoo. Shoot. Strong. Rifles. 2 different rifles. These shorter for like usually military or law enforcement has those. You get a special tax stamp. He's allowed to have a short barrel one. Is it bad when you run out of adjustment? These 4? You need to seat the mag, sir? Yeah. Chill. boy, you need a chair to be comfortable? That is so nice.
What?
Wow, that's service, baby.
Yeah. Well, that's all we have.
We can shrink down one for them if you want.
If you guys, no, I mean, you guys are your first week to have it. Not using it. I mean, if you don't want to use it,
Well, she wants to be nice. That's why.
you don't have to be nice. It's okay. They're good. They're fine. Don't worry about it. Just keep your lane.
Thank you, Laura.